Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully, my dear friends and family members will be fine and good. May Allah bless you. Always be happy in life. Always keep smile. Lovely guys, again welcome in my YouTube channel Home Decor and Ideas. Today content made for you on topic stair grill design ideas. Some design share on your screen. These designs so amazing, so stunning and lovely project. Lovely guys, hopefully you like the video. Guys, if you like the video, please share with friends and family members. Lovely guys, hopefully you must watch video at end. And also comment in comment section about which design you like. Guys, if you have a staircase in your home, then the stair grill design or the railing can make a huge difference to the interior of your home. It is that design element of house that is paid close attention to can really help define the look of your space. A staircase grill does not just play its role in the functionality aspects of design and take care of safety aspects. It is also a part of the house that is often understated but has huge potential to add value to the decor of your home. With a creative, high design and decor professionals can provide you numerous options to your staircase. The staircase grill design is the most common type used in beach houses to introduce warm tones in the house. Here the traditional iron grills are used with a wooden framework. Fancy metal works as your stair grill design is the perfect answer to old architectural. Metal sheets are customized as your taste. Lovely guys, hopefully you like my videos. Let's see with new content. Wish you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.